Good morning, students. Today we'll be studying about strong and weak verbs. So let's just begin with this chapter, very important. And let's just begin. Title of our chapter is strong and weak verbs, right? Let us learn the following form of the verb which are strong and weak. What are the list cut? First, we'll be studying about the list of strong verbs. Read carefully the four forms of the strong verbs which are given below. देखिए हम उनका present पढ़ेंगे, past participle और ing form. Arise का arose हो जाएगा, then arisen and arising, very important, right? Awake का awoke, awoken and awakening, right? Bear means produce, right? Bore, born and boring. Bearing actually, it's bear means carry, bore, born and bearing. Next is beat का beat ही रहता है और beaten और beating हो जाएगा. Become का become, becoming. Next is begin का began and beginning. Moving on to the next is bite का bit, bitten and biting. देखिए जहाँ पे ing form है, we just have to place ing, right? Blow का blew, blown and of course blowing. Break का broke, broken and breaking, right? Choose का choose, chose and of course it's chosen and choosing, right? Come ka it's came, come, coming, right? Dig ka dug, it's digging, right? Next is do ka did, done and doing. Again, next is draw, drew, drawn and drawing. Then it's drink, drank, drunk, and of course it's drinking. And drive ka we all know, drove, driven and driving. Very easy. Forget ka forgot, forgotten and forgetting, right? Freeze ka froze, frozen and freezing. Moving on to the next is get ka got, getting. Then it's give ka gave, gave, given and giving. Very important. Please mark it important. Go ka went, gone and going. Again, mark it very important. It's grow ka grew, grown and it's growing. Then hang ka hung and hanging. Next hide ka hid, hidden, or you can say hid only. It's hiding. Hold ka it's held and holding. Next is know ka knew, known and knowing. Then it's like a lay, lane and lying. Mark it very important. Ride ka rode, ridden and riding. Then ring ka rang, rung and of course ringing. Mark it important. Rise ka rose, risen and rising, right? Run ka ran, run, running. Please mark it again important. See, saw, seen, seeing. Very important. Sing ka sing, sang, sung and singing. Sink means dubna. It's sank, sunk and sinking. Sit ka sat and sitting. Speak ka spoke, spoken and of course it's speaking. Spring ka sprang, sprung and of course it's springing. Spit ka spat and spitting, right? Next is stand ka stood, it's standing. Then it's steal means story hona, stole, stolen and stealing. Stick ka stuck and again stuck and of course it's sticking. Sting ka stung and sticking, both are same. Swear ka swore and swearing. And swim ka swam and swimming. Then again next is take ka took, taken and taking. Please mark it very important. Tear ka tore, torn and tearing, right? Throw ka threw, thrown and of course it's throwing. Wake ka woke or you can say waked, woken or waked and again it's waking. Wear ka wore, worn and wearing. Next is weave ka wove, woven and weaving. Then it's win ka won and of course it's winning. Please mark it important. Withdraw ka withdrew, withdrawn and withdrawing. Ring ka rung and ringing. And write ka wrote, written and writing. Please mark it important. Moving on to the next is a list of weak verbs. We have to study carefully all the three forms of the weak verb. Present, past, past participle and ing. Bleed ka bled and bleeding. Bring ka brought and brought, bringing. Please mark it important. Build ka built and of course it's building. Burn ka burnt and again burnt and it's burning. Buy ka bought and buying, right? Next is catch ka caught, it's catching. Then it's creep ka crept and creeping. Then curse ka cursed and cursing, right? Dare ka dared and daring. And then deceived and deceiving. Deceive means dhoka dena. Died. We all know died, it's dying, diving. And dream ka dreamt and of course it's dreaming. Then feed ka fed and feeding. Next is feel, cut. Feel ka it's felt and feeling. We all know flee ka fled, fleeing. Fly ka it's flew, flown and flying, right? Next is hang ka hanged and hanging. Have ka had, having. Please mark it important. It's not have, it's have, right? Hear ka heard and heard, it's Wearing, keep ka kept, kept, it's keeping. Then kneel ka, it's knelt, knelt and kneeling. Then lay ka, laid, lain and laying, right? Next is lead ka, led and of course it's leading. Leap ka, it's leaped, leaped and it's leaping. Learn ka, learned, learned and learning, right? Next is leave ka, left, left and leaving. Then of course next is lend ka, lent and of course it's lending. Light ka, lighted, lighted and lightning. Lie means jhoot bolna, lied and of course it's lying. Lose ka, lost, lost and losing. Please mark it important. Make ka, made, made, making. Please again mark it important. Mean ka, meant, meant and its meaning. Melt ka, melted, melted and melting, right? Pay ka, paid, paid and paying. Prove ka, proved, proved, proving. Quarrel means jhagda karna, it's quarreled, quarreled and quarreling. Raise ka, raised, raised, raising. Next is sow ka, sowed, sown and sowing. Then next is say ka, said, said, saying. Please mark it important. Sell ka, sold and again sold and selling. Send ka, sent, sent, sending. Please mark it important. Sue ka, sued and sued. Whatever I'm saying you to mark it important because they are very important because we use it in our daily question answers, right? Shoot ka, shot, shot and shooting. Then it's show ka, showed, showed and of course it's shown and showing. Sleep ka, slept, slept, sleeping. Then smell ka, smell, smell, smelting, right? Next is sweep ka, swept, swept, sweeping. Teach ka, taught, taught, teaching, right? Tell ka, told, told, telling. Please mark it important. Think ka, thought, 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 thinking. Travel ka, travel, traveled and traveling. Weep ka, wept, wept, weeping. Wet ka, wetted, wetted and wetting, right? And work का worked, worked, worked. कुछ फॉलोइंग वर्ब्स हैं जिनकी थ्री फॉर्म्स अलाइक हैं, जैसे कि बेट का बेट, बेट, बेटिंग, राइट? बिड का बिड, बिड, बिडिंग. देख रहे हैं आप, इनकी तीनों फॉर्म सेम है. बर्स्ट के भी तीनों फॉर्म एंड देन इट्स बर्स्टिंग, कास्ट, कास्ट, कास्ट एंड इट्स कास्टिंग. सेम फॉर द कॉस्ट, राइट? सेम फॉर द कट, 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 पुट, hit, 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 hitting. It's hurt, hurt, hurting, right? Let ka, it's let, let, letting, right? Again I'm repeating for this cut, it's cut, cut, cut and of course it's cutting, right? So that was all about where we have to form about the strong work, weak verbs. Please go through this, very important and a learning chapter that you should always learn. Please just take a xerox of this chapter and please stick it in your wherever you are studying because this is very important and these all form of verbs we use in our day-to-day lives. So please keep doing hard work and stay blessed. Thank you.